I am a PMC heart patient, and the heart specialist at Pikeville Medical Center saved my life.
In August of 2024, I had an open heart valve replacement here at Pikeville Medical Center, and the care that I received here with Dr. Halpin and his team was amazing. I could say that they truly took care of me and helped me to get better. I have felt better now than I did ever, really, honestly. I know that seems crazy, but a heart valve can make you feel so bad, make you short of air, make you not feel too good. And then whenever you have that replaced, you just get everything back. You get the color in your face, you get your appetite back, and you feel wonderful. Yeah, I would absolutely encourage anyone to seek help at the Heart Vascular Institute, just because they are very caring there. They're very empathetic. I will always tell every patient about Dr. Halpin and Dr. Deal, always, every time. They're amazing.